This is the trading review for the 17th of October 2022. It's a Monday and it's the first, second, third week of October. And we started our day late at around 12:10, which was lucky for us because everything opened a bit in the gray area. Nothing really had a big run. Apple reversed from R4. We could have taken an entry here for an R4 reversal after failing to get a volume. And then we reverse, and then I saw a very bullish level 2 on Apple. So even though Apple had an inside day, I understood that there was a really high chance we were going to break out to the top side. So I was just waiting for both the moving averages to come up and the 5-minute candle to align for a new 5-minute high. And I observed this 1-minute candle wick for my stop loss. So I placed my stop loss at 141.63, I believe. I made my entry at 161.75, and I saw a response immediately. But then we sold off, and I didn't like how the moving averages were curling down, and we had an inside day as well. So I was scared that we were just going to have another one of those R4 reversals to this floor pivot. But I should have accepted my loss. I don't understand. Maybe because I didn't have enough confidence on this trade, especially because it was an inside day. But I should have stayed in and just accepted my loss because the level 2 was incredibly bullish. And I guess this is going to help me learn my lesson that you have to trust the process. This was a perfect trade. It was perfectly timed. Actually, I had another chance to get in. We had a big influx of volume at 141.75, and that was the last attempt to recoup our shares before driving the price higher. So I could have made my entry here after getting out rather stupidly, but that's shot. That's doesn't matter. I waited for another opportunity. So this is or R4 strategy. It was an A setup. Actually, no, because it was not an outside day, but we took it because we had a very bullish level 2. We got what, 1, 2.8. Okay, we had everything right. I would say a B. Yes, code out. We didn't break it. It was just bad trade management. Hello. So it met all the requirements except for the fact that it's not an inside day. So that's why I'm dropping the grade to a B. But other than that, the reading of the level 2 was beautiful. It's just that my trade management, I let fear overcome it. I let fear dictate what to do, and also it wasn't that unreasonable. But at this stage, I would rather take a loss, learn, than to try to protect my profits, because that's what I did. I tried to protect my profits instead of focusing on just setups and accepting losses. My second trade was on Roblox. Had a huge gap up, had a lot of volume, but we didn't have a nice ladder on the level 2 because it's a New York Stock Exchange. But I noticed some interesting signals. Huge spike in volume, and we failed to continue higher. We were throwing top wicks on high volume, and then the 5-minute candle and the 15-minute candle, we had a 15-minute candle doji. We had a 5-minute candle doji as well. And we almost missed the move here. But we had some small pullbacks. And I made my entry on this pullback because we were not getting any volume whatsoever. And lo and behold, we failed to return to 43.60, which was my stop loss, which is a very good area. I could have placed it at the top of this week, but I gave it a little more room, and it was a good size. And we ended up getting this partial here was a mistake. I should have waited. I was just getting desperate and just wanted to end the day at profit, so that's why I couldn't get even more profit. But then partial one here, another here, another here, and then here, and then here as well, once again. So um, could have done a better job partialing, taking partials, especially as we had an even bigger drop. But it is what it is. Ended the day at 3R. So I'm very happy with my day. I could have done a better trade management today, but I had excellent reading. That's what I'm proud of. This is an BPA reversal. Also, it's a B trade. It was a short. We had an outside day, obviously. Roblox was bearish. We open outside 2.8. No. Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute break. No, but area entry. Yes. 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 See. No. So an excellent trade, an excellent BPA trade. So far it has not been good. I haven't taken good quality setups, but this one's good. This is a good trade. So anyways, what should I do? Okay. I had an excellent reading of the level 2, especially for my Apple trade. I pulled my entry exactly where it should have been. Break of the 1 minute, 5 minutes. I use good reading of the volume by price to detect a good entry. I'm happy that I use bigger time frames to have more confidence on this entry, especially with how ugly the 1 minute candles were looking. But I was very happy, and I partial on this trade using the level 2, even though I let my fear take control of it. I took 2 winning trades, but my fears made them a bit worse. But I'm very happy with that. Um, it's been a while since I've had a 3 hour day. We took them all. Very happy with that. Very happy with today. Finally, we get a good profits, and more importantly, we did it the right way. So I'm very thankful for that. And tomorrow, wanna do an early start, and hopefully we can remain just as patient and trade well once again. So that's it for my trading review.